Hi, I'm Engelschalk from Germany, and I'd like to invite you to the 16th CAD CAM and Digital Dentistry Conference as an online event of the CAD November Dental Livestream, and of course to my online lecture. Modern implantology nowadays is influenced by the digital technology. Keywords are CBDC scans, intraoral scans, guided implant surgery, as well as CAD CAM based prosthetics. Despite these great improvements, the biology of soft and hard tissue did not change, and we still have to respect this in our treatment plan and surgeries. In my lecture, I will explain the biological principles of implant placement in general, as well as the link to modern implant systems and the integration into the digital workflow. So I will highlight the implant structure itself, as well as its position, its immersion profile, and how digital workflow can support this to create a perfect and long-lasting outcome. Ideas like the one abutment at one time concept, or the digital guided implant placement, or digital guided implant surgery, will be discussed, as well as the influence on the biology around implants. Well, it will be a great pleasure for me to welcome you at this conference and hosting you to my online lecture. And I hope that the next event in Dubai will be again an offline event. So let's meet online and hope to see you soon. Bye.